This is compilation number 5.
Johnson, Lancaster, Odo, Celine, Sarpi, Saunders, and Sword. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 140 or 141. 141. Actually, no, it's 141.
Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, broadcast radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 141 has been issued until 12 a.m. Friday for the following counties in Nebraska: Butler, Cass, Gage, Johnson, Lancaster, Odo, Celine, Sarpi, Saunders, and Seward.
Actually, it's a tornado watch 141. I'm very so sorry.
Southwestern Dodge County, Central Vermont County, Northwestern Saunders County until 6:30 p.m. At 5:30 p.m.
You favor for the thousandth time.
Miles north of Rising City, or 10 miles west of David City, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gust and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect winds
Probably on my TV, the new Spectrum TV.
Octavia around 5:55 p.m. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Linwood, North Bend, and Morris Bluff. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time for northeastern and east central Nebraska. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time for northeastern and east central Nebraska. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Butler, Colfax, Dodge, and Saunders. The National Weather Service is expected.
Here we go!
Entries. This severe thunderstorm will be named
Dad, it's on TV!
45 p.m. Octavia around 5:55 p.m. Other locations in the path of a
And there's one as well. Oh, here we go. It's on 95.1.
Protection move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time for northeastern and east central Nebraska. The case that thunderstorm warning has been National Weather Service and OEA has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Colfax County in northeastern Nebraska, southwestern Dodge County. National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 141 effective until 12 a.m. for a thunderstorm. This watch includes the following counties in Nebraska: Butler, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles north of Rising City, or 10 miles west of David City, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornadoes, large hail, and damaged winds. Expect wind damage
It's on my Sony radio station.
Octavia around 5:55 p.m. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Linwood, Elgin, North Bend, and Morris Bluff. Tornado watch number 141 has been issued until 12 a.m. Friday for the following counties in Nebraska: Butler. For your protection, move to an Celine, Sarpi, Saunders, and Seward until midnight Central Daylight Time for northeastern and east central Nebraska. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Butler, Colfax, Dodge, and Saunders.
And it's on Mom and Dad's bedroom. And it's on Mom and Dad's bedroom.
Yeah. Is the door open?
Let me see. There it is, guys. Severe thunderstorm warning. Saunders, Butler, Nebraska. First Jeffrey's TV alert.
Good. Okay.
Okay?
Alright, so your batteries are for the next one.
And with the weather radio and the television and the FM radio station. So big thank you to Racing Energy 12 to found this radio station found this video. What's that mean said?
That's it.
See you in the next
one.
tornado warning.
Tornado warning for southeastern Colfax County in northeastern Nebraska, southwestern Dodge County.
Here we go. It's on KF4X FM. It's on my Sony radio station.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Colfax County in northeastern Nebraska, southwestern Dodge County, northeastern Butler County, northwestern Saunders County until 6:30 p.m.
Until 6:30.
40 homes will be damaged or destroyed, capable of producing a tornado with windows.
So we got 95.1 and 106.3.
Is likely moving east at 30.
Both EAS on the weather radio and the FM radio stations.
Tornado
Yeah.
is 2 inches in
See?
diameter.
Yes.
I'm filming.
Yes. Yes, dear. I see you.
Now, Mom, you remember, Mom, if you're a tornado warning, you have to go to a
Lower
basement
yes.
or interior room.
Yes.
Is likely.
You're welcome, Mom.
This dangerous storm will be near North Bend around 6:05 p.m. Take cover now.
Channel 8. Okay.
Move to a
Yeah.
basement or interior room on the floor of a sturdy building. Avoid wind gusts. Your thunderstorm warning remains outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Butler, Colfax, Dodge, and Saunders. Miles per hour. Tornado warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Size hail. This is a radar indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding.
All right, now let's do on the television.
Storm will be near David City and Delaware around
I was right. A tornado warning. That was correct.
6 p.m.
The correct answer. And here it is. It's on the television.
Winwood, North Bend, and Morris Bluff. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time for northeastern and east central Nebraska. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A severe thunderstorm
A tornado warning. Wait for it. Here it is, guys. Probably hear sirens outside.
element of severe weather, including tornadoes, damage or destroying winds, watch areas, and vehicles will appear.
Let me turn open the window. You can hear sirens outside. there's a boys playing outside.
Tornado watch number 141 has been issued and 1012
Oh, there it is! Another one on my TV. On Mom and Dad's TV.
homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will move to a basement or interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows.
Oh, another one! Severe thunderstorm warning! Oh, they're on display. Whoops.
Northwestern Lancaster County in southeastern Nebraska, northern Seward County in southeastern Nebraska, southern Whitmore County, southwestern Saunders County until 6:45 p.m. At 5:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Gresham, or 11 miles northeast of York, moving east at 40 miles per hour.
Interesting connection there with Omaha. It's kind of obtuse. However,
60 miles.
you know, I like obtuse. Passed away. He was engaged at the time to a songwriter and singer named Sharon Sheely, rather. Sharon was in the car with Sharon Sheely.
Around 6:05 p.m. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm.
Tornado warning and severe thunderstorm warning.
A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time for southeastern and east central Nebraska. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time for southeastern and east central Nebraska.
So we're going to have a severe thunderstorm warning and tornado warning on 95.1 and 106.3.
Nebraska, Butler, Lancaster, Saunders, and Seward.
Oh, this is my county. It's for Lancaster County.